Movavi Video Editor Plus 2022 is here, but the question is, should you upgrade? In this video, I'm going to cover what's new in Movavi Video Editor 2022, the different prices and options for the program, and then my thoughts on whether or not upgrading is worth it. When I opened the program yesterday, it actually looked like there was an update, and I was really excited to have some new features come into the 2021 version, but when I updated, it actually downloaded the trial to the 2022 version instead. So the 2021 version will no longer be getting updates, and it is now onto 2022. If you have the unlimited subscription or any of the subscription plans, then you should automatically get this upgrade. If you just bought the program outright, then you'll have to upgrade your license or buy the subscription for the new program. The new program includes sound autocorrect options, new audio effects, a volume scale, and if you buy the subscription, you'll get new effects packs every 3 months. So I'm going to hop over to the 2022 version of the program. So this is the new program. It has new tutorials that will walk you through the program. So if you're new to Movavi Video Editor and you're trying to decide which one to get, the 22 version is a really good option, and then you'll be getting any new program updates throughout the year. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what's new. Down here in the audio editing, this is where most of the new stuff is found. So we've got a sound autocorrect, and we'll test that out real quick here. So I'll throw in an audio recording. Okay, so I've got a little piece of audio here. So you can see that there's an enhanced voice recording option, a noisy place option, and then a recording studio option. Now these, you just click, once you have your audio clip selected, you'll click which one you want to apply. And then if you want to change that, you can click the star on the clip and go here to adjust it. You can drop it down, and you can actually see that it's just adding noise removal, equalizer, and then the new compressor. And it does make the audio sound much better. Testing, just testing. Without the effects, it sounds like this. Testing, just testing. I can notice a difference when I apply it, that it does cut out the background noise, which I already, if you've got just the 2021 version, you can do this with the noise removal. So I go here, noise suppression, and then just apply. And I usually just do about 50%, and it usually cuts out anything that I need cut out. And then you can go to equalizer, and then choose voice enhancement. Now the compressor, though, that it's adding is new. So then you've got noisy place. So I assume that this would really add just a lot of noise reduction. So let's see what it adds. So noise removal, equalizer, and noise gate. So it just automatically applies those filters. Then we have the recording studio. Let's see what that one applies. So recording studio, and then we're going to click the star again. And it's got noise removal, equalizer, and noise gate. So the same thing. This will make editing your audio much easier. You can just add any of these really quickly to apply the compressor and noise gate without going through what looks really complicated to me. So they've added the ability to use a noise gate or compressor, and I personally don't have any experience with these, but it says block the unwanted noises. So this obviously is going to be very useful. You can, I think, more specifically block certain noises or certain sounds than just the noise removal we previously had. And then we've got compressor, and it says sound compression. To reduce the volume of loud sounds or amplify quiet ones, set the parameters and apply. So this will just even out the sounds. So I actually tested this with some loud clips and then some not so loud clips, and it did seem to even them out so that the loud ones didn't stand out so much. So then we've got some new audio effects, and you've got overload, oscillation, and vibrato. And they sound like this. So if I apply overload, these...
Be creative. Inspire.
Okay. So there's, it's got an example for you.
Be creative. Inspire.
And then...
Be creative. Inspire others.
So you can really change your voice with those and make it sound like alien or robotic or really, really crazy sounds. That can add a lot to your abilities with your audio editing that we didn't have before. Let's see. There was some more stuff. Okay, so they've also added this here, a volume scale. And you can show the volume scale here, and then you'll notice when I play a clip, it shows it over there, like that. Now, it also mentions some special effects packs that you can get if you buy the subscription. So if we hop over to the Movavi website, we can see Movavi Video Editor Plus 2022. And if you scroll down, it shows the price here is $64.95 for the program outright. And once you buy it that way, you would have it period forever. Now, if you have the 2021 version, you can click through when you open your program, and it will allow you to buy it with a discount. So you can get it for $45, and then it's going to try to add this insurance service here. So I don't do that. I'd always take that off. So be aware that it'll try to add that $10 charge. It also shows you the option for the subscription. So I've added that here as well. And you can see that it's $27.96. So you would have the program for a year. And then after that, you could choose to upgrade or not continue your subscription. This one, you have the program indefinitely, but it doesn't include the special subscription pack with the different effects every 3 months. So if you'd like to continue receiving updates after the program turns to the 2023 version, then I would choose this subscription one. If you just want the base program to have forever for basic editing, maybe you don't need the effects or you use a lot of green screen effects, then you could just go with this one and have the program forever and never have to buy anything else. Now, if you're interested in other programs like Picverse or the Video Editor Suite, you can get those programs on the Unlimited. So if you go to the Movavi website, scroll all the way up here to video, then I have this Unlimited option here. And you can see it's $140, but it does include all of their programs. It includes the unlimited effects. So I have a Video Editor Plus, a Slideshow Maker, and a Video Converter. For me, I don't need any of these extra programs. I just use the Editor Plus. But if you need something for screen recording or streaming or anything else, you've got photo editing and all of these different utilities included. And it includes access to their effects. So full access to the Movavi Effects Store. And you get new effects every time they're added. And this just allows for a lot of easy to add things. So if you don't want to fool with trying to download green screen effects or do other things like that, you can have a lot of different text and title options and stickers and things to use if you have access to the effects store. Now, this is for a year subscription, so you would have it for a year and then have to pay this again if you want to continue to use the program. Now, they also have the Video Suite, which includes a screen recorder. So if we go up here, the Video Suite, this is often the one that it will take you to when you search on Google or any search engine. It really wants to take you to the suite instead. But this one includes a video converter and the video editor, and then a screen recorder and a media player, along with all of these other things. So I don't ever use those things. I always use the free OBS software for my screen recording, and I don't really have any need for a converter. So if you don't need a converter, or you don't need the screen recorder or any of the extra stuff, I recommend just getting the video editor. Then it also shows us some of the new features in the Video Suite. Several of these apply to the video editor, like the new AI features coming, and the new split screens and video effects, like double exposure and new LUT effects. I'm really excited for some of those. Personally, I may not be upgrading just yet, but I'm sure for the next update, I definitely will as they start to add more things to the 2022 version of the program. So for now, the only new things in the 2022 version is the sound autocorrect, a couple new audio effects, and then the noise gate and compressor. But they do have a lot of new things coming, so if you plan to upgrade, go ahead and go for it. So you just need to decide if you want to go ahead and do it for just the year and then get the newer program when it comes out again next year, or if you just want the new program forever. Let me know in the comments what other Movavi programs you use, or are you like me and you just use the video editor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.